Stellar genuinely is a mid-position computerized money right now assessed at 0.153916 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of 4,200 to 893,720 win in a huge way over the previous definitely 2 or 3 years cryptographic types of money incorporating Stellar spread out in an extraordinarily great footing in the overall money-related world and are as of now being traded equivalent to standard assets like stocks things and new. In an essentially critical way, a couple of institutional monetary patrons even overall consider crypto as a capable supporting instrument against the taking off development and the aggravations in the overall economy. In a particularly significant way, retail monetary sponsor and dealers are unequivocally enthusiastic about computerized monetary forms, for example, XLM, because this appears to be the most open money-related market. These profits are completely out of reach in a variety of business sectors, which is precisely why moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Stellar. While the pioneers fundamentally devote a significant portion of their essentially cash flow to this rapidly developing resource class in an unobtrusive manner at this specific intersection, the endeavor. The very meter that is not fixed in stone by duplicating the sort of present cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a generally tremendous method because of Stellar the market capitalization generally stands at 4,200 to 893,720 win regardless of popular belief. The significance of this barrier will essentially be widely understood later. Our cost expectation calculation, in particular, is designed in such a way that it consistently screams both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to provide or endorsers with the most dependable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities allows the beneficiaries to survey the condition of their portfolio and truly conclude whether our approach also places a strong emphasis on authentic data, which is critical for making an accurate assessment of both current and expected effects. Market structure and evaluation of its actually present and future going beneath, you will normally locate important excerpts of this verifiable data with the objective that you can also buy in bulk. Having an understanding of where the Stellar market is most likely to go in every practical sense, XLM was explicitly valued at 0.158605 on August 6 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Basically remember that digital currencies really are exchange day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting symbolically closes at 12 p.m. beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The rate of cost change throughout the said period was 3.04%. Which is normally very high. 7 days prior, on August 7, Stellar was swapped at 0.156046 at the end of the exchanging meeting, indicating a 0% cost shift from that all things considered. Near its essentially current value, particularly in contrast to common opinion, on August 12, which was precisely a month previous, the examiner swapped XLM at 0.110814. Stellar's most extreme stockpile in a real sense is 50,001,800,6812 XLM. Currently, the total supply of XLM is 50,001,787,265 coins. The flowing inventory of the cryptographic money under investigation is 27,3006,356,515 XLM, or so they sort of thought this Stellar cost forecast wouldn't be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume under investigation, because it has the in every practical sense metric utilized by essentially old digital money brokers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in a significant way, for example, assuming the breakout to the recent hours B. Exchanging volume on the Stellar market was enlisted at 132.228,576, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Recently on August 6, XLM truly had an exchanging volume of 122.033762. See yesterday, and August 6 XLM generally was esteemed at 0.158605. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, essentially recall that digital currencies fundamentally or exchange day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting symbolically closes at 12 p.m. as specified common thought. The cost of XLM and the readings of CFIX actually all accounts met the OMA metrics that we use while drawing the cost expectations. Beautiful market capitalization is another important most certainly metric that really helps merchants sort of decide the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future prospects in an unobtrusive manner. It is likewise used too in every practical sense survey the offer that Stellar all things considered holds inside the particularly entire cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. The equation for calculating market capitalization is essentially straightforward. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of XLM generally remains at 4,200 to 893,720 when enough to name it the 21st kind of the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. So our cost expectation calculation is planned in such a way that it persistently screens both the value deposit. As Tether moves away from $1, what do you think the price of Bitcoin will be? Is BTC also in trouble? The price of Bitcoin is moving up and down above $29,000, which has caught the attention of traders and buyers. Bitcoin is worth $29,000 to $40 right now. And $11.3 billion worth of trades happen every 24 hours. According to the most current data, Bitcoin has lost nearly 0.5% of its value in the last 24 hours. As Tether, one of the most famous stable coins, moves away from its $1 value, the market is paying close attention. People are closely watching how this change will affect Bitcoin, which has led to debate and talk about what it could mean for the most popular cryptocurrency. The USDT has a slight depeg and is overweight in pools. ALXWASI, at WASI_time1, says in the tweet that the cryptocurrency Tether, USDT, is going through a small depeg. Depeg means that the value of a stable coin, like USDT, moves a little bit away from its set value, which is usually $1. This means that the value of USDT may be slightly above or below $1 at any given time. In the tweet, it also says that USDT is overweight in pools. This probably has to do with the amount of USDT in liquidity pools, which are used to make DEXs and other DeFi systems run smoothly. An overweight situation means that there are more USDT in these pools than they need. We should keep a close eye on this situation because the small difference and excess in USDT pools could have an effect on the whole cryptocurrency market and trading. How much will Bitcoin cost? Recent market changes in Bitcoin were carefully looked at over a 4-hour period, which showed a small trading spread. During this time, the coin ran into trouble around the $30,000 level.